wanted to hop on here and show you the finished journal that I made. It's a very simple journal. It's a no-sew journal. No sewing in this whatsoever. So I did the removable signatures with the elastic bands. And then I put this, I just intertwined this lace between the bands to tie it closed with. Then I made a little pocket here with a bird on it. These are one of the Tim Holtz birds from his collection, from his die cut collection. And then I put these little tags in the pockets. There's a little owl charm on that one. So these are just journaling tags that I left pretty much blank for the girl that's going to be getting this. And this journal is going to be a gift. I'm not selling it. It's a birthday gift for a friend of mine. And then this has a little bird, well, I guess you'd call that an angel wing charm. And these are tags that were in the kit. Of course, this is the miniature kit that I did. I'll probably be putting the miniature kit in my Etsy shop. So this card on the front is not part of the kit, but the pages inside the tags, these were made from the kit. And I actually printed them on regular printer paper and then backed them up with cardstock on the back. And you open it up and there are 5 signatures. 5 signatures with about 15 pages each, I believe. And then I made this double pocket here, and there's a tag in here, and it just tells her happy birthday. And I put some ephemera in the little pocket that she can use in her journal. I will just flip through the rest of it without talking. I will say though, I didn't do a lot of embellishment on this. I just left it very simple because I had to make it kind of quickly, and plus the girl I'm giving it to, I think she would appreciate a more simple journal. This is one of the pages from the kit. So is this. This is a page from the kit. Journaling card and page from the kit. Okay, I guess I am talking. This is one of the kit pages, printables. And then that's another signature over here, so. This is from the kit. As is this. And these are papers that I just had, that I added to the journal. If you watch the video before this video, you can see me, how my process in putting this all together. On these pages that I did lines on in the kit, I did a very faded background of the journaling images that are already in to match the other pages. But that way you have room to write without worrying about going over the picture, because it's just a faded image background. These are both pages from the kit. Again, the kit. And the kit. Alright, journaling card. I'm gonna make sure I put this on right. There we go. Another journaling card, and I just did cardstock on the back from the kit. This is just some of the ephemera that for the belly bands that was in the kit, and I made a belly band with it and then put these in there so she can use them as she pleases. And then this is from the kit too as well. And then on this one, I put a little cat charm, even though the theme is birds, because she likes cats, and I just wanted to add that to there. And then there's cardstock on the back. And again, some more ephemera. Alright, that is it. I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I would love it if you want to subscribe and keep following me. Share with your friends, and I will talk to you later. Bye.